Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Your name and your school, your class.
My name is Sonwo Mutayo. I'm from God's Vision Academy. My class is SSG.
Are you a science student or?
I'm an art student.
Okay. What do you know about God's Vision Academy?
Well, God's Vision Academy is a school that is accommodating, and their standard of teaching is very, very high. And I like the school.
Can you recite the school anthem?
God's Vision, like with the school, yours is to set them at peace. Discipline yours to God's vision, great vision, the Lord is your strength. God's vision, great vision,
Okay. God's Vision Academy, when was it founded?
2005.
And what can you say about the teachers, subject teachers?
Yeah, our teachers, they are doing well. Their lesson, their explanation is very, very good. I like my teachers.
Tell us about your school environment.
My school environment, it is well furnished and well ventilated. There is peace in my school.
Have you ever attended any excursion?
No, I'm a JJC. I'm a newcomer, so.
Okay. And what advice can you give to parents and children?
I like to give our parents and children, any parent who is more privileged to bring their children to God's Vision, I know that they are going to get the best of what they want from this school. And I encourage children also to come to our school and try our school, because I know my school very well.
Okay. Your name again, please.
My name is Sonwo Mutayo.